You're not losing money on Polymarket because of the market. You're losing it because of chaos and emotional decisions. I used to trade the same way until I discovered Polymarket AI Bot, a working AI bot built specifically for Polymarket prediction markets. I started with the free version. It gives real-time signals, risk levels, and confidence scores from 50% to 95%. It's completely safe, no wallet access required. I just watched the signals and learned which markets actually had an edge. After that, I upgraded to the advanced version. Auto trading, smart position sizing, built-in risk management, and only high-confidence signals above 85%. The bot automatically places trades, tracks P&L, win rate, and trade history. Now my decisions are based on data, not emotions. And I save hours every day. Getting started takes just 2 minutes. The link to the bot is in the profile. Open Telegram and find Polymarket AI Bot. Choose free or advanced. Download the analyzer. Start receiving signals. Want to try it risk-free? Start with free. Ready to automate your Polymarket trading? Upgrade to advanced.